The Spirit E310 gas grill has generous grilling space, along with consistent and superior temperature control, essential backyard chef features, and it's all rolled up into an affordable gas grill package. The porcelain enameled lid features a center-mounted thermometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. A roomy storage area is enclosed by a painted steel door. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and grilling accessories. For safety as well as function, the Spirit gas grill features 2 heavy-duty back swivel casters and 2 heavy-duty front locking casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. For food preparation and handy entree plating, the Spirit gas grills have large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The front-mounted knobs and valves are precisely engineered to accurately control the stainless steel burners. The electronic ignition makes lighting a breeze, and the crossover ignition system allows you to light the other burners off the first without having to hit the ignition switch again. The easy-to-read fuel gauge accurately measures the amount of LP gas in the tank, so meal planning becomes a breeze. Inside the Spirit gas grill, porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates heat evenly and sear foods beautifully. The Spirit E310 gas grill is essential for the griller who demands power and performance, in addition to a quality grill investment that will serve the family for years to come.
The Charbroil Performance 4-burner gas grill features a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic igniter button to light all your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Stainless steel grates ensure heat retention, are rust resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Durably constructed with an enclosed cabinet to store all your grilling essentials. And 4 casters make the grill easy to move and store. Made to last, Charbroil Performance gas grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.
Royal Gourmet Gas and Charcoal Grill Combo brings you an exceptional grilling experience. Porcelain-coated grates are easy to clean. Double-layer lids retain heat effectively. Quick start with a simple push of the button. Adjust the charcoal pan with a cool touch spring handle. Allow air to circulate effectively via dampers. This grill has ample space on the bottom cart. Move or fixate it easily with locking casters. Taking grilling performance to the next level. Royal Gourmet Gas and Charcoal Grill Combo has multiple models available with dual benefits. Love grilling. Love Royal Gourmet.
The 4-burner side burner with side sear burner stainless steel grill from Monument Grills. With stainless steel lid and cast side caps, this grill is solid. With heavy-duty handle, stainless steel doors, and side shelves, this durable grill is built to be both tough and beautiful. With a large, easy-to-read thermometer for accurate cooking temperatures, our porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids offer a large cooking surface of 513.3 square inches primary cooking area with even heat cooking, plus another 210 square inches of warming rack. Porcelain-coated cast iron gives the best of both worlds. The cast iron is best for retaining heat and even cooking. The porcelain coating also makes for easier cleanup. The Monument grills include LED control knobs and are easy to light with pilotless electronic ignition, powered by a AA battery. The 4 burners are constructed with the highest grade of stainless steel with a 5-year warranty. The Monument cooking system, burners, flame tamer, and cooking grid are precisely engineered together to minimize heat up time and provide consistent temperature across the cooking surface. This means no hot spots, with some food burnt while some is raw. We also added some additional features with side burner and sear burner for multiple cooking options. You can use the side burner to warm sauces or cook your favorite side dish without going inside. The side sear burner is perfect for your steaks and other foods where you want to sear your food before or after cooking. Searing uses ceramic infrared cooking to get to temperatures of up to 800 degrees. This creates the caramelization and flavor in meat that we all love so much. Looking inside the double stainless steel doors, there's a propane tank holder and extra storage. 4 locking nylon wheels allow you to easily move the grill and lock it into place securely. We've added storage hooks on the outside of each shelf to hold your cleaning brush on one side and cooking utensils on the other. When it's time to clean up, the easy access porcelain coated grease pan can be accessed from the back of the grill. The 4-burner stainless steel propane gas grill from Monument Grills is perfect for both the family and entertaining guests in the backyard this season. Don't forget to pick up a Monument grill cover to protect your investment for years to come. Better grilling, better value, Monument Grills.
Meet the MegaMaster 6-burner grill, the large and in-charge gas grill designed to master any outdoor feast. With 753 square inches of total cooking area, you'll have enough room to feed even the fiercest appetites. To fire up the grill's 6 stainless steel burners, simply turn on the gas, twist the burner knobs, and push the electronic ignition button. 54,000 BTUs of grilling power means fast fire and precise heat control. And since there's no such thing as too much space, we added 13-inch oversized side shelves that provide ample room for buns, toppings, and anything else you need. The 6-burners cast iron cooking grids provide lasting durability, so you can expect reliable performance for many cookouts to come. Master any occasion with the high-powered MegaMaster 6-burner gas grill.